Hi, this is Joe Garcia with Dent Evo Advanced Paintless Dent Removal, and this is a great example here of an advanced repair that we did in collaboration with Greentech Collision Center, a local body shop here in Upland. This customer reached out to me after seeing some of our videos, and he was hopeful that we could do it justice. And so he filed a claim, and we worked with his insurance company. This machine is called a frame puller, and the damage was caused by another vehicle backing into it in the driveway. What you see me doing here is called a tension pull, using the glue pull process. Holding the panel under tension like this just makes it more responsive to my metal work. Yes, the glue pull process is safe for the paint, if you know what you're doing. We use reflection to read the metal, but it's a great way for you to see just how straight that panel really is now. That's the original factory paint on that quarter panel. Now the body shop did have to repaint the bumper, as well as the lower part of the quarter panel underneath the bumper, since there was some minor paint damage to those items. If not for our efforts, this entire quarter panel, part of the roof, and the passenger door would have all needed to be repainted. And once my part of the process was complete, then it was Greentech's turn to put their skills to work at masterfully reshaping and refinishing the lower portion of the quarter panel as well as the bumper cover. This repair turned out to be a win for Dent Evo, Greentech Collision Center, and most importantly, for our client. Because retaining the original factory paint, as well as the structural integrity of his brand new car, was very important to him. He did his research, and it paid off. Damage like this, quite truthfully, is on the fringes of what can typically be fixed with paintless dent repair. But with good technique, experience, and judgment, the advanced paintless dent repair method is capable of amazing results. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, or if you're wondering if your dent is a candidate, please feel free to reach out. I'm Joe Garcia, and you can find me at dentevo.com.